Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a cut in an easy and simple way without using volume or a measure. So this is the results. As you see, let's see the my topology. It's quad and derived bevel, as you see. So you see the shading. This is the same sphere as you see. So it's start cost crash. Control and let's add a sphere and delete some segment there, maybe 44, and change the type to the accelerator and 80. So just bring the shape up and click the scale, tap it like that, and bring it in the front of the sphere. So maybe the page to see my web plane, something like that. So we need to copy back this sphere and put it in Lord Shift and hide it. You will need it later. So just select those objects here in my circle in my sphere and click C to make it editable. Now I will select the polygons that containing the circle. So I to move all those checks. So first one, all those shit, all those shit, all those shit. One more time and click you let's check the selection. We call on shits. So now I need to count the edge of this outline. So just pick you, and as you see, we have 24 edges. That means we need 24 points for my spline. So now I have just 4 because the spline is basis. So let's give it as the subdivide. Another you as subdivide. Maybe you as to subdivide. So now we have 52, or I need just 24. So it's easy to make it just go around. Okay, take 24, apply, change the type to linear. Now I will project my spline on that sphere. So this is what we do. Here is our 3D. Now just go and project. So the view is front, fly, and go to sphere and select polygons, those polygon and collect them. Now that's the outline for this hole. So now what I had to do is pull that circle in through. So actually without really thickness, it does go and click C to make it visible. Go to edge mode and control there to select the outline. And now we have to also just connect object delete and say short that it's view preparing my sketch, color sheet, and world it like that. So now that we did, and they say optimize it. Maybe you need to select outline UL. Yeah, and all the bring my slide edge, hold on control, and something like this. Little support edge killed off here in the middle. Now, as you see, we have the polygons and small polygons, so we need to fix that issue. So select edge and UK, select H2 there. Now click NC to bring my brush, and I like to work on front view. So change the mode smear to smooth, something like that. So we have especially with the curvature. So that's where I did the first. So that's go permitted put it inside the surface, or by to H perfect flexibility impossible. The follow add double selected to I did let in the PC we have here. So now go to the format or Lord shift and select warp and bring that so six targets. Yeah, but you see something like this. So now just click right click before it suppose it will move this minimal backward. So select that surface. Yep, console, bring in myself, you I see as it or so dinner, make the one you choose and get you see to collapse. Add some loop cut that is taken in the middle, something like serve. So A2 the defaults A select package on dividends NS. Let's save one and loop back here, something like this. So let that page do and create my LMC. I think it's fine. This is the result. It's been put it inside the surface and click in A to go out shading. Okay, it's to R for rendering. And that's it. See you. If you like the tutorial, just hit the like button and subscribe for more.